Hello beautiful self, you're doing very fine. So today we are going to do baby's hair, baby girl's hair. So when you want to have a firm grip, you just have to relax your fingertips and then pull out the hair while you're doing it. Just make sure both sides you pull out the hair just a little bit, just don't tighten while pulling out the hair. Then tuck in the hair inside the braid to have a clean grip. So enjoy the video. Thank you. Please, and don't forget to subscribe if you're returning and you've subscribed. Thank you very much. Be blessed. And if you have not yet subscribed, kindly my friend, just subscribe and you'll be blessed just as you're blessing me.